Hello, and welcome back to Baby We Eat. Today we are making chicken piccata. For our ingredients, we have chicken breast, salt, pepper, flour, Parmesan cheese, garlic powder, olive oil, and salted butter. You want to combine your flour, your Parmesan cheese, your garlic powder, your salt, and your pepper in a large plate and set aside. You want to cut your chicken breast into thinner slices, or you can pound and tenderize. You want to pat your chicken dry, and then you want to put your chicken into the flour mixture and tap off the excess flour. You want to heat your olive oil and your butter in a large skillet over medium-high heat. You want to sear your chicken in batches, anywhere from 4 to 5 minutes per side. You want to cook until it is golden brown or has a golden crust. You want to put it on the plate and set aside. For your sauce, we have white wine, like Chardonnay. You have garlic, capers, chicken broth, lemon juice, salted butter, and fresh parsley. And now we're going to prepare our sauce. You could use the same pan that you just cooked your chicken in. You want to add your white wine and your garlic. You want to set it to a medium-high. You want to bubble gently for about 4 to 5 minutes, or until a small amount of liquid remains. You can add your capers, your chicken broth, and lemon juice, and stir to combine. You can add your chicken back and finish the meal. Then you want to add your chicken back to the pan. You want to spoon the sauce over the chicken and cover. You want to cook for anywhere from 3 to 5 minutes. The sauce will thicken slightly and become more flavorful. You want to reduce the heat to low and add more butter and let it melt into the sauce. You want to remove from the heat and garnish with your parsley and serve. We have made chicken piccata. I want to thank you for watching Baby We Eat. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.